Yan. Paano ko ngayon basahin ang pangalan mo? D7OM. Hello. Hi, Skip. Hi, Joy. Ikaw ang nabing dambatan ng puso ko. Ba't ako patutulog eh? Gusto ko bumasa na. Ano, thank you. Totoo ba nagagandahan ka sa akin, honey? Kahit super taba ko. Dati, ikaw na kita. Biglang sumasaya. Ay nawala. Hanap kita. Bakit hindi nagtatawa? Oo naman sa aking mga matalapak. Hala! Bakit mo naman ako sinabi ang butanting? Hello, Courtney. Courtney, I am beautiful ba? Am I beautiful ba, Courtney? You like my face ba? But I have a very messy hair. You see? Kuya Mahal, okay lang. Honey, okay lang. Yes. Hala, Tagalog ka naman pala eh. You understand Tagalog naman pala. Yes na yes eh. Hoy, honey. Okay lang sabihan mo ako ng butan ko. Your natural beauty. Thank you. But this is just a filter ba? It's just a filter. I will get my charger muna. Just wait for me. I will get my charger. Just wait. Just wait a minute. He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are a perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walk down the aisle, I couldn't help to smile. Lag ba ako? Cause he knows that Palahi, ikaw ba yan? Palahi ba yun? Palahi? Palahi, boss dyan. Hello? Cause he knows that only you can see me. Lag all. Hello, Palahi. No, ay hindi to si Palahi. Palahi na oh. Ah, umi-English ka na ngayon ah. Sanjay. Umi-English ka na ngayon Palahi ah. Thank you so much.